Rice. Rice is a major food crop of the world. It is a staple diet of tropical and subtropical region. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. It grows best in alluvial soil which can retain water. China leads in the production of rice followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. In favorable climatic conditions as in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 to 3 crops are grown in a year. Wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall in its growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It grows best in well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter. Millets. They are also known as coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Rover, bajra and ragi are grown in India. Other countries are Nigeria, China and Niger. Maize. This crop is also known as corn. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained, fertile soil. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It grows best on black and alluvial soil. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt are the leading producers of cotton. It is one of the main raw material for cotton textile industries. Jute. Jute was also known as golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil and required high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Coffee. Coffee requires warm and wet climate along with well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are most suitable for the growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. Tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. This requires cool climate and well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. It needs well-drained loamy soil and gentle slopes. Labor in large number is required to pick the leaves. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka are produce the best quality tea in the world.